Hi, I'm Nagash, and I'm going to show you how to make an octahedron origami model. So, let's begin. Now, this is what you'll need. You'll need multi-colored construction paper. All the different colors you can buy at a store really cheap, and you need scissors. So, to start off, we need to make a square out of this 8 by 11 piece of paper. And to do that, now this, we're going to put 3 of them away for now. Fold it in half, like so. Turn it around so it's like that. Fold the other half down. We're going to turn it over, fold the other side over. And you should get something like that. Now we're going to fold this corner in. Like so. And we're going to fold it down. Then we're going to fold that piece up like this. And basically fold that down. Make sure it's square. Now flip it over. Fold that piece like that. So when you flip it up, you can fold this corner down, like so, and then fold it over. And there you have the first half of the module. So we're going to build a few more of those, and then we'll assemble them. Welcome back. I'm going to show you how to connect these two pieces together. Simply, you have two different ends, like so. You take this end and you just pull this piece up just a little bit, and you slide that piece right up into here. Put it in there pretty good and snug. Fold that piece back down. You got one end, and you just go over the other side and do the same thing. Pull your flap up just a little bit. You gotta be careful so the other piece don't slip out. Slide that under there. Sometimes it's gonna be a little tricky, and you just gotta keep working with it. And there you have your little module. So we're going to start with, basically we're going to combine all these into one of those. So, and you can mix the colors together if you want to. Okay, now we have all the little pieces put together, as you can see right here. Simply to connect them, you just, these two ends, this one goes into the other one. You just move your little fold in the paper and you slide it up into there, like so. Helps to fold that back over. Now we're going to connect the blue one in there. The same concept, but we want to turn it and put it inside the peach one, or orange. Sometimes when you do this, you kind of have to flatten the fold out. It can get a little bit tricky. There. Now you see it's starting to come together there. So we take this. Now this is the hardest part. You have these folds right here. You want to spread them apart, straighten them out, and we want to take this guy, and while we're angling it, try not to let your other piece fall apart. We're just going to kind of work it. Just going to work it in there. There, now I got it sliding in. Like so. And tighten it up. And you can reinforce the folds again. To make. And this makes up the second part of the module, as you can see. We'll hook these two together, and I'll show you how we can them all together to make it. Here, that's good, Steve. Okay, I've made a couple more of the modules, and I already connected one on here, as you can see. I just connected the side from one of these ones goes into the side from one of these. It's just this full piece slides in there. You know, it's pretty easy, but it can be tricky. Now what I want to do is I need reinforcement in this area, so I'm going to slide him into this blue one. See? Now, this one needs support. So how do I get him into there? Well, we got to take the green part and slide it into the pink part. And make sure you fold over your edges just to make sure it's staying there. And you can tuck in, try and tuck any other corners in that you see. Now you see we start to have a box developing. So we're going to be that's going to be the bottom, or that could be the bottom. We got two sides built now. Take this other box and let's put another side up here. We're going to have to make, gee, 1, 2, 3, probably another 3 of these or 2, but we'll just do the same thing again. And yes, it can be tricky, but just keep working with it. Sometimes you bend it out a little bit, but if you bend it out, you gotta tighten it back up. Bend that corner down, tighten it. Now we can't connect those two yet because we need to put a top piece over here and a top piece on here. So if you flip it around, you're starting to see the idea. I'll zoom in here. And it can look pretty cool. And there we have our octahedron. It's all put together and ready to go. It's pretty dang cool, huh? What do you think, boy?